Hi, how's it going? So today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. I did a video on when we were going out to do the washing at the laundromat. So I think I'm going to record myself every day. All right, so the laundromat was yesterday. Today was a day out with my daughter. Right, we were out and about, and I went to pick her up, and we met at my dad's. For those of you who have been following my page, I am over here because my dad is in a rest home, and my mum passed away 2 years ago. So I finished my job and stopped I just practically left everything in Perth and came over just to be with dad. So I have pets over there in Perth, families, siblings, my daughter, and my job. So I gave all that up to come over here. So today my daughter's going back to Perth. Today I spent time with my daughter because she's going back to Perth. So today was just hanging out with her and my dad and just going to some local places with her, like Ollies. I don't know if you guys have heard of Ollies, but Ollies in Royal Oak has been there for about 50 odd years. So anyway, it's been amazing. But today was just going to some of these old places. So we went to Ollies, went down to Mangere Bridge, fish and chips. Dad wanted fish and chips, so we took up some for him. And so it was just a day just to hang out together and go and see some of the sites around Auckland. Visit some favourite places we used to hang out with while we were living here at the time. So anyway, that's what we did today because I think daughter just wanted to drive to some familiar places, and she was going, "Mom, remember this place? Remember this? Remember that?" And it was so it was so cool. But anyway, we're here in New Zealand. This is in New Zealand right now. And then I have been here since nearly 5 months now in Perth, from Perth. So I'm here in New Zealand. My son was here not long ago and he's gone back. He came over as well. So we're all here together as a family. And today was just a wonderful day. I just enjoyed it. My dad, he's looking good. He's put on some weight and I'm feeling great. So I'm from Australia. And anyway, no, it's all great. Yes, so that's where I'm living. I'm living in Australia in Perth. I am here at this time to be with my dad. My daughter's here on holiday. And we're here in New Zealand. And we're just enjoying the time here right now in New Zealand. Right here in New Zealand right now. So for those of you who don't know, I am in New Zealand from Perth. So it's just been a great day. And last of all, today we went over to Howick. And had dinner at this place called Mojo. I think that's the name, but it was lovely. Met up with some of my nephews and nieces, and our daughter just enjoying herself, I think, with her cousins here before she leaves. And we were all supposed to meet over at McDonald's, but we decided to come home. So I'm just going to keep every one of you who is subscribed to my page. It's like a diary, more like a diary, just to fill in what's been happening with me. So that's practically it. We had a lovely day today, and I'm back from a lovely dinner. And I would just like to say thank you for subscribing to my page. Please subscribe, and we'll meet you. In my next video. We'll catch up again in my next video. That's if you want to be bored listening to me, but everyone has a story to tell, and that's my story. I'm here from Australia, living in New Zealand, in Auckland because my dad is in a rest home and I just want to spend quality time with him. So that's me. And I hope you all have a good evening. And we'll catch you again on my next video. Thank you.